a relic from the Ice Age, a baby saiga antelope, just 3 hours old. His only company, his twin. Until they can stand, their mother has left them, hidden in the grass. They should be safe as long as they remain quiet. For these calves, the clock is already ticking. Their herd will soon be moving on, seeking the freshest new grass. Their lanky legs are a sure sign that they're built for a life on the move. Saiga always give birth to twins, so their numbers grow rapidly just when grass is plentiful. Their bizarrely shaped nose can detect fresh growth from hundreds of miles away. The young twins will now begin the nomadic life they share with most animals on the world's open plains.